In this video, I will show you how you can extend the lifetime of your Victorinox FireAnt significantly, so stay tuned. Hello YouTube! Welcome to another Swiss Army knife tip and trick video. There is no doubt, I like the Victorinox FireAnt as backup fire starter. I never use it as primary fire source, for that it is too small and too expensive. But every one of us was already in the situation that he forgot his matches, his lighter or his fire steel. And exactly this is the glory moment of the FireAnt. It will provide you a reliable fire source for many years in every weather condition, doesn't matter if you are in the desert or on a mountain. In this video I showed you that the FireAnt doesn't only work together with the tinder coil, so you can also use other tinder, for example cotton wool or natural fibers from hemp or from stinging nettles, birch bark, lot of different flying seeds, one layer of toilet paper, one paper layer of a tissue, and much more other tinder. And in this video I showed you also that I was able to produce a lot more than 100 initial flames with this little guy here. The FireAnt is actually a fire starter system because he contains a fire steel and a tinder coil. The tinder coil consists of something like wax soaked cotton. You can see that if you fluff it up. The tinder coil has the shape that you can twist it into the corkscrew, like this, and of course the handle of the fire steel has the same shape. Now the tinder coil and the fire steel is stored very secure and you can't lose it. My problem is that I carry my Swiss Army knife mostly in the front pocket of my trousers like this. And sometimes I have even other things in my front pocket, for example a lighter or my keys or even a cell phone. And as soon as I move, walk or shake, I have friction. And this friction wears away the wax layer of the tinder coil. And this wax layer is responsible that the tinder coil keep its shape. So that means the tinder coil dissolves slowly. After 3 days in my front pocket, the tinder coil looks like this and not like this anymore. But I have the clear expectation that this FireAnt provide me a reliable fire source even after many years in my front pocket. A viewer of my channel had the same problem as me, and he gave me the tip to protect the tinder coil with a shrink tube. And this is what I want to try out now. So here I have an assortment of shrink tubes. I never use them, but now the time is come. Super. So I guess it's about this diameter. So let's try. Yeah. Oh, look at this. So that's an absolutely coincidence that it fits the first try. Even without make them hot. But this is perfect. This is perfect. Yes, super, look at this. But let's try out if even a bigger one would work. So this has a much too big diameter. Yes. Yes, that would work perfect. Look at this. Like this, the tinder coil is well protected for many years from abrasion. If you don't want cover the glow-in-the-dark handle of the fire steel, just make the tube until here. So the glow-in-the-dark part don't dissolve because this is hard plastic. So, as I already said, this trick showed me a view of my channel. Thanks a lot for that. I hope this was interesting for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next Friday. Ciao!